Did you know that bison like to lick the salt off the ground? And did you know that they like to lick the salt off your van? We moved so we wouldn't be in the middle of the street, and they came like chasing after us so they can get some more. My intrusive thought is I could totally touch his head right now. But I won't.
Leave it. Look.
They're like in line to come and lick the car. Oh my god. Look at this. This is not clean. This is... Oh my god. This is so bad. Look at the other side. Come here.
What? Oh my god. They turned on the light because they were bumping into it.